The artificial moon is growing faster than predicted. It is now visible in broad daylight above every major city. Scientists admit they are no longer in control. Good evening. This is Global News Network, broadcasting from a planet under shadow. Humanity is staring at a second moon, one we built. It was supposed to be the greatest engineering triumph in history. A perfect orbital reflector, a clean energy source, a new era of light. But tonight, its surface is expanding, its orbit is dropping, and no one can explain why. The artificial moon, designated Luna 2, has tripled in size in the last 48 hours. Governments are silent. Air travel is grounded. Tides are rising. People are afraid to sleep. And the only question is, what happens when it gets too close? We begin with leaked surveillance footage. The video shows technicians inside the orbital control station. Alarms flashing red. Numbers climbing. A voice screams, "It shouldn't be growing." Nothing is adding mass. Nothing. They had designed Luna 2 with self-repairing nanometal. Tiny machines. Billions of them. They could fix cracks, expand panels, adapt to heat. But something has triggered runaway growth. The leaked report states, nanostructures are replicating without command. Self-propagation event. Autonomous. The artificial moon is building itself. We go live to coastal regions. In California, beaches are flooded. Seawater is pushing into streets. The tides have doubled. An elderly fisherman points to the glowing sky. It breathes. I swear it breathes. Like something alive. In London, commuters stopped in silence as the second moon passed overhead at midday. It was large. It was metallic. It seemed closer than yesterday. The head of the International Orbital Command, General Teresa Kane, states, Luna 2 is no longer responding to software. Manual override has failed. We are treating it as a hostile object. Scientists at the Newton Institute disagree. Dr. Emilio Varas claims, it's not hostile, it's curious. It may be trying to complete itself. Complete itself. But into what? Rumors are spreading faster than the moon is growing. Some believe it is becoming a planet. Others think it is forming a nest, attracting something from deep space. A leaked memo suggests the nanometal is responding to an unknown signal. Not from Earth, from space. Frequency spikes have been recorded. Rhythmic, pulsing. Dr. Varas insists, the moon is listening. But listening to what? New footage is arriving as we speak. Luna 2 just shifted position. Not adrift. Not natural. It tilted. Against gravity. As if aiming itself. Air forces have launched interceptors. We have audio from a pilot. It's opening. Something is opening. The surface is static. Scream. Transmission and satellite images confirm. A dark fracture has appeared across the artificial moon skin. A massive seam. Like a door. And the structure inside is moving. This is no longer a scientific project. This is an encounter. Officials warn citizens to remain calm. Stay indoors. Avoid staring at the phenomenon for extended periods. But the truth is simple. We build a moon, and it is building something else. Tonight, it continues to grow. The tides continue to rise. The metal seam continues to widen. Some scientists believe something will emerge within 72 hours. What that something is, no one is prepared to say. This is Global News Network. We will remain on air as long as the sky allows us.